Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the project folder and creating the first file. This makes everything visible. Once done, set the language mode so highlighting and snippets match. Make sure to enable line numbers and soft tabs now, because these small settings speed editing. You'll also want to configure a workspace settings file for project preferences. This saves time across sessions. Start editing a small function or HTML block to confirm syntax highlighting and quick fixes are active. Then proceed. You now focus on shaping code. Use multi-cursor for repetitive changes and find /replace to refactor quickly. Once done, install linting and formatter extensions so code stays consistent. They run on save or via command. Make sure to set up the integrated terminal and a run configuration so you can execute scripts without leaving the editor. Use the debug panel to set breakpoints. This reveals why values differ. Keep committing small changes to track progress and revert when needed. You wrap up by saving all files and running the full test suite. This confirms functionality before sharing. Once tests pass, stage and commit related changes with concise messages that explain why, not just what. Then push to the remote repository or trigger your deployment pipeline and perform a quick smoke check on the target environment. If something breaks, check the editor's problems panel first. It lists lint and compile errors. Then verify the terminal output and recent commits to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.